The block in the blockchain. At its core, the blockchain record and keep track of transaction in a digital ledger. Think of it as a massive database of everyone sending and receiving money, cryptocurrency, and other digital assets like NFTs, smart contract. Now there is where the block comes in. Blockchain? A blockchain will store these transactions in group of blocks. Each record of the transaction will have an address, their wallet public key of the person sending the transaction, the person receiving the transaction, and the amount of being sent, the timestamp, and a unique hash. A genesis is the first block of that is created in a blockchain network of its an epoch.